pro bono coverage, certain professional services, accountants, lawyers, they'll provide some of their services on a pro bono basis. You want to be sure that the professional liability policy that they're purchasing will have professional services to pick up pro bono or charitable purposes arising solely in the conduct of the insured's profession. So again, just make sure that the policy that you're writing, picks up pro bono services. Some other, types of coverages that you can look for that are provided in certain E&O policy forms would be reputation restoration expense coverage. So like public relations costs needed to combat adverse publicity stemming from a claim. Subpoena, supplemental payments, disciplinary actions coverage. So again, this would be reasonable attorney fees excluding disbursement relating to an insured's reasonable and necessary response to a subpoena for documents or witness testimony arising or resulting from professional services rendered by an insured. Supplemental payments coverage for lost wages to attend trials, hearings in defense of a claim, and coverage for attorney fees, costs, expenses incurred by the named insured in defending against investigations, disciplinary actions by licensing boards. Identity theft, credit monitoring, and fees associated with identity theft covered under the policy. Coverage for owned properties, we see this on like property management forms where, you want to make sure that it removes the exclusion for properties managed by an owner. So if the individual owns the property, but it is also utilizing it as a rental, that they also have coverage, because sometimes the policy will exclude coverage for managed by owner properties. Kidnap expense, retaining an independent negotiator or consultant to facilitate the release of a kidnapping victim. Technology product coverage. I think this is very important. Means of communication or telecommunication hardware, software product, or related electronic document that's created, manufactured, or developed by the named insured for others, or distributed, licensed, leased, or sold by the named insured to others for compensation, including software updates, service packs, and other maintenance releases provided for such products.